Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So in this video I'm going to show you how I create my go-to makeup look. It's very subtle yet elegant. So here I'm going to get rid of my peach fuzz, and I like doing this simply because the makeup sits more beautifully without our peach fuzz, of course. And also I want to tell you that your hairs won't grow thicker, coarser or denser because you are shaving your hairs. No, it does not happen like that. Okay, so I'm starting the makeup with the concealer. It's the Fit Me concealer by Maybelline. And also this makeup will be a no foundation makeup because I generally don't prefer using foundation. So I have used two concealers over here. One is the Maybelline Fit Me one, the other one is from Miss Claire. I'll list down all the products below in the description box.
Yeah, I'm stuck in your space, just my luck. Put me away, you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand. Come on, babe, you understand. I wanna stay, 'cause I don't wanna walk away. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away.
So I'm just powdering out the area using the Maybelline translucent powder. So now I'm concealing the rest required portions of my face. I usually do it wherever I have dark spots. And yes, again blend using the brush.
Yeah, I'm stuck in your space, just my luck. Put me away, you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand. Come on, babe, you understand. I wanna stay, 'cause I don't wanna walk away. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. I don't wanna walk away. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space. Just my luck. Put me away, you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand. Come on, please, you understand. I wanna stay.
So yes, I'm blending out everything seamlessly and properly so that my makeup looks good and not cakey.
See you while you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, still spinning inside your orbit.
So I'm taking the Miss Claire concealer again to add upon those parts where I have used the Fit Me concealer to add up the brightness.
Yeah, I'm stuck in your space, just my luck. Put me away, you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand. Come on, babe, you understand. I wanna stay.
Yeah, I know I look like a joker. And now a little bit of dancing and singing because I have a music playing in the background.
'Cause I don't wanna walk away. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away.
So again the translucent powder to powder out the face wherever I have concealed so that it does not crease up.
'Cause I don't wanna walk away. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space. Just my luck. Put me away, you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand. Come on, please.
For my eyebrows today I'm going to use the soapy brow method. So I'm going to take a clear soap. I took the Pierce one. You could take any other soap if you want to. Any clear soap would work. And I have wet that soap, and using a spoolie I'm brushing outwards my eyebrows. It gives your eyebrows a more fuller look. You don't actually need any eyebrow product. So here I'm done with my eyebrows, and I would be bronzing up my face a little bit. Not too much, nothing harsh. I'm just bronzing up a little bit. So now I'm taking up the Bella Cosmetics Go Pro Volume 1 eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking a pinkish shade from there for my cheekbones as a blush. I'm applying it all over my cheeks for that blushed effect. I take it really close to my nose and also apply some on my nose. And I'll also be using the same shade for my eyelids as an eyeshadow. So I'm covering up my entire eyelid with the same shadow. And repeating the process for my another eye. So now for my lower lash line, I am going to be mixing up a brown and the same pinkish shade from the palette. So after I'm done with the eyeshadow, I'm applying the mascara. I really love how a mascara opens up your eyes. Also blabbering and posing a little bit. I was literally enjoying the makeup, having the song played in the background. So here I took a tapered fluffy brush, and from the Maybelline Nudes Blushed Nudes palette, I took a silver shimmer shade to put it in my inner corners and my brow bone. And voila, we are done with our eyes. Now for my lips, I'm going to be taking the Nykaa lipstick, the Nykaa mini range. I'll list down the products exactly in the description box. So it's a pinkish shade, and to top it up I'm using the another Nykaa lipstick. It's the Ultra Matte 11 Jane. So here we are done. It's the complete look, and in the next clip you'll find some madness of mine. So go ahead and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.